Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Instagram on Android. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by unlocking your Android smartphone. Locate the Instagram app on your home screen or app drawer. Tap on the Instagram icon to open the app. If you are on the welcome screen, look for the login button. Tap on login to proceed. You will now see two fields for your login credentials. Enter your username or email address in the first field. Make sure to type it correctly to avoid login issues. Next, tap on the second field to enter your password. Ensure that your password is input accurately. Once you've entered both your username and password, look for the login button at the bottom. Tap this button to attempt to log in to your account. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your Instagram feed. In case you forgot your password, tap on Forgot Password below the login fields. Follow the prompts to reset your password. If you want to stay logged in, you can check the option that says Keep me logged in. For new users, tap on Sign up to create a new account. Now you are ready to start exploring Instagram. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.